Hi students, this is still 5.6 for workbook, page 125, number 6 until number 10. Kurt recorded the daily temperature highs for a science project and the result is shown in this line plot. How many days did he record the temperature? So first of all, the X shows the number of days. So that means you just need to count the X to know how many days did he record it. Next, B. What were the mean and the median of the temperature? How to find the mean? Mean is total divided by number of days. So if you take a look at this one in the line plot, we have, first we find the total. So 27 plus 28, 28, 28. So we can just say 3 multiplied by 28 because we have 3, 28 and 2, 29. So we just put 2 multiplied by 29 plus 30 plus 2 multiplied by 31. After you get all the total, you can find the mean by dividing it to 9. Why 9? Because we have 9 x's in here. Yes, then that's the mean. Next, the middle number. You can find the middle number by circling it in the line plot. So the line leader with the caboose, second line leader with the second caboose, third line leader with the third caboose, and then you'll find the median or the middle numbers, which is supposed to be around here. Next, the temperature high on another day was included with the data. The new mean is changed to 30. What was this temperature? So now the mean changes into 30. How do we get mean? Mean is the total divided by the number of days. Before, there were only 9 days. Because now add up one more, so there are 10. The new mean is 30, and then we need to find the total. The new total will be 300. And what is this new temperature? This new temperature will be the new total minus the old total. How do you get the old total? It was the previous one. This one, the total one. The one that you get from 6B. And then for D, find the new median temperature. So first you need to draw the new line plot. And then when you get the new line plot, the median will be the middle number. So you need to circle the line leader with the caboose, second line leader with the second caboose until you find the middle number. Next, number 7. A restaurant pays 9 employees these daily wages as shown below, and then they ask you to make the line plot. So you make the line plot, find the $90 $70. It starts from $70. So you make it 70, 90, 100, 160, and 200, and then you cross out. One person only gets $90, and then there are four people get $90. So you check it in here. There are 90 and then 90 and 90 again and 90 again. After you make the line plot, which is going to be like this, you are going to answer the A. What is the mean? Mean is the total divided by the number of employees. Now the total, you total it by this. 70 plus 90, we have 490. So we just 4 multiply 90 plus 2 of the hundreds, right? Plus 160 plus 200. When you get the total, now to find the mean. The total divided by 9. Why? Because there are 9 employees and we have 9 x's here. After that, we find the middle number. You circle the line leader with the caboose, second line leader with the second caboose, third line leader with the third caboose, until you will find the median number, which is around here. Now, the B question. Does the mean or the median better describe a new employee could expect to earn at this restaurant? So if that is a new employee, of course the new employee will not get $200. The new employee will start at around this area, right? So they ask you, is it the mean or the median which is close to this one? So you have to get the mean and the median first and determine whether B, the answer is mean or median, closest to the new workers. New workers will not get $200. will not probably get 160 either. So new workers would probably get around this much money because you do not pay that expensive for a new worker. Now, they ask the outliers. There's one outliers, the number which is the furthest. Take a good look at it and answer it. And then, mean and median will change if you disregard the outliers, right? Because this is very big, which this one determine the mean. So if there isn't this number, the mean will be smaller. And also the median will be different because if there is no one this part, the line leader and the caboose will be different. The median will be slightly different. Next, is it the mean or the median of the new data without the outliers that is close to the new workers' salary? So you please count everything first before you can answer D. Next, number 8. The stem and leaf shows the weight of the bowling balls. How many balls are these? So you count first. The first ball, the second ball. So 0.8 is the first ball. Another 0.8, and then 0.9, and then 10, and then 10 again, and then 11, and then 11 again. Counted how many we have. That's to answer A. Find the mean, median, and mode, and mean, median, mode range. So the mean is the median is the middle number. You have to find it from the data. Which one is the middle? Mode is the number that occurs most frequently. Take a look which one occurs very often, and then the range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. And then they ask the balls of 14 pounds should at least be how many? So how many should it be so that it can be the mode? So take a look at the number which is repeated again and again. If we want to change that mode into 14, how many should it be at least? So in here, the mode is 15, right? Because there are 3 of 15. If you want 14 to be the mode, that means the 14 should occur at least 4 times to defeat the 15. Now, what is the new total weight if you put 14 into 4 times instead of only 2 times like now? Next, after that, you find the total weight of the new one after you add up the 14. Next, number 9, the weather forecast says that the sunny happens for 3 days, the cloudy happens 2 days, and then the rainy for 2 days. Now you have to answer with this one: more likely, less likely, equally likely, certain, or impossible. The first question, not a sunny day. So you have to count the cloudy and the rainy over 7 because 7 days. 3 plus 2 plus 2. 7. Rainy, sunny, or cloudy. So you have to add up everything over 7 because there are 7 days. And then after you see this one, you have to answer, is it more likely or less likely or equally likely? You use the number line. If it is bigger than 3.5, of course it's more likely. If it is smaller than 3.5, it will be less likely. If it is exactly 3.5, it's equally likely. If it is 0, it's impossible. If it is 1, it's certain. Today is sunny, tomorrow is rainy. So take a look. That means all the rainy days, right, out of 7. And then determine about the likelihood. Last, number 10. In a class of 25 students, 10 are girls, and then the name of the students are written on cards, placed in a box. The name are chosen of random to win prize. So first we say the girls are 10, the total numbers are 25. Definitely the boys are 15. So the probability the first one will be a girl is, you need to find the number of the girls. Under is the total. So we make it into a fraction like this. The probability of a boy, the number of boys, and then the under part is the total. And then you please tell, is it more likely or less likely or equally likely? Same goes in here. Is it more likely, less likely? And then the second student is also girl. So now the girl is, we already lost one girl. So 10 minus 1 equals to 9.